Not just a machine, a story waiting to be continued. Please watch this short restoration video of this historic machine, a heavy-duty Jentschmann Adler 266. I took this one apart completely, piece by piece, cleaned it, polished it, adjusted every element by hand. It had history in its gears, and it deserved a second life. Now it runs beautifully, smooth, steady and strong. It's not just functional, it's powerful, balanced, and made to work, made to last. This very machine once stitched sails for the Irish Green Dragon team, a part of the 2008 to 2009 Volvo Ocean Race. After the race, it sat in a container for years. Then it was sold to Italy. I brought it back, restored it with care, for its next chapter. A machine like this doesn't come around often, and applying the Adler and Jentschmann decals again, that just felt right. Like honoring a legacy, this machine is not just for sale, it's waiting for the right hands. A craftsperson who feels the story beneath the steel, a new keeper of this rare working piece of sail-making history. If this speaks to you, reach out. Let's see if it's yours. Email attila@mamuko.ie. Thank you for watching.